Hi, I'm Jack. Today, I like to share some paragraphs of Out of Control, the book. In Section 4, Assembling Complexity. In Biology, the Future of Machines. In the end of this section, the writer said, a decade later, when more was known about the interdependencies of nature, Leopold finally conceded the vital nature of organic fire when he reintroduced fire into the synthetic plots of the Wisconsin Field Grass Arboretum. The prairie flourished like it had not for centuries. Species that were once sparse started to carpet the plots. Still, even after 50 years of fire and sun and winter snows, the Curtis Prairie today is not completely authentic in the diversity of its members. Around the edges, especially where ecological diversity is usually the greatest, the prairie suffers from invasions of monopolistic weeds, the same few ones that thrive on forgotten lots. The Wisconsin experiment proved one could cobble together a fair approximation of a prairie. What in the world would it take to make a pure prairie, authentic in every respect, an honest to goodness, recreated prairie? Could one grow a real prairie from the ground up? Is there a way to manufacture a self-sustaining wilderness? Okay, that's it. See you next time.